This is how you can use two different WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. By the way, if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe. For the first option, we'll look at the new multi-account feature that was added by WhatsApp recently. So you just go into settings here. Then under settings, right next to your name, you see this plus icon. You see your current account here and the number. Then you see a button here, add account. You click on that button. Then it will give you the screen. You just say agree and continue. Then you can enter your new number and verify. So once you're done with this process, your new account will now be shown alongside the other account here, and you can just switch between the accounts whenever you want to do it. The second option will involve you having WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business on your phone. So this can also work on your Android phone as well as your iPhone. So if you have WhatsApp and you have one account here, it's possible to also have WhatsApp Business, and then you can also do the same process, agree and continue, then put your second number there, verify, and once you verify, you can now have those two accounts. These will be in separate applications, but still you can do it on the same phone. Then we'll go to the next option, but this only works for Android phones. If you are on an iPhone, then this won't work. What you do is you want to clone this WhatsApp application, then add your second account there. So basically you go into settings, then under settings, you look for an option, advanced features, right here. Once you click on it, you scroll down, you see Dual Messenger here. Then Dual Messenger will show you a list of applications that are supported with this sort of functionality where you can clone the application and add another account. So here I'll toggle WhatsApp. Then it will give me this message, install a second copy of WhatsApp. You'll be able to sign in to WhatsApp, another WhatsApp account in the second copy of the app. You say install. Then once you say install, second copy of the WhatsApp installed. You can go back to your home screen. Then you see this second copy of the WhatsApp with that sort of icon on the bottom right that shows that it's a clone. So in my WhatsApp, I have this account, right? But in my second copy, it acts like a brand new account that you can also put another number here. And once you put another number, you verify, you can have those two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. So obviously for these methods, you can't use the same number on the same phone because it wouldn't make sense. You already have a copy of the messages on your phone, so installing a second copy wouldn't necessarily make sense. But if you want to view your messages on another phone, then obviously this is where linked devices will come in. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe.